Everyone says Cabin L109 has a restricted view and crazy wind. But is that actually true? Let's head up to Deck 16 and find out. Tap the medallion, and you are in. Left past the doorway is this open closet layout with tons of hanging space, upper shelves for your luggage, and your digital safe tucked right in the middle of an extra shelf unit. Don't forget to take your complimentary princess bag for nice memories. Right on your left as you step in is the bathroom. It's the classic princess setup vanity with 3 side shelves for your toiletries, and your steward refreshes all your fresh towels every single day. Inside the standing shower, you get the wall of mounted pumps. And Princess actually provides really great quality shampoo, body wash, and lotion. They smell fresh and don't dry out your skin at all. Moving into the main room, on your side cabinet you'll find open storage shelves. Across from the bed is the main desk setup, featuring a large mirror, plenty of counter space, and a chair. You also get to nightstands on either side of the 2 twin beds down below, which, of course, can easily be pushed together into a queen upon request. And if you're traveling with family, look right above. There are 2 upper Pullman beds that drop down straight from the ceiling over each lower bed. It gives you a full 4-person cabin setup without cluttering your floor space during the day. Mini fridge built into the bottom of the cabinet. Hair dryer. Flat screen TV. Now for the truth, the balcony. As you step outside, you get 2 chairs, table, and a clear glass railing. There is literally 0 view restriction here. You get completely unobstructed, stunning ocean views. And about that wind rumor. It was only one single windy night where the bridge automatically locked the balcony door for safety. Every other day and night, we kept it wide open to enjoy the breeze. It was absolutely fantastic. Would you book Cabin L109? Subscribe for more cruise tips.